Okay guys, I am using the Dji Osmo 3 gimbal, and I'm just testing out how it has actually a face, what do you call it? It follows your face. So let me try it out here. You have to put a little box here and it'll follow you. So if I move this way, it'll go this way, or move this way. Okay, nice. Move it further away from me. It's beautiful out today. The weather's nice. Oh wow, they're working on the roads today. We got something going on up here. They have the road closed here. Very nice. Wonder how the microphone sounds. I'm gonna move the camera the other way. Let me see. Well, I think I have to stop recording to be able to do that. Yeah. Or no, I can do it this way. Right. So this, I'm able, on the Samsung S8, I'm able to film in 4K or 1080p in 30 frames per second. So, that's good. Okay, this is really smooth. You can jump up and down and you won't even be able to, it'll be steady. It'll still be steady, which is good. Yeah. It's like movie quality, man. Yeah, the smoothness. When I'm filming with the Android, it's easier to load into my computer for my editing. Yeah. I got this huge tarp up right here for the Korean barbecue. Yeah. It's right here filming. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. fairly popular area for getting stuff here. Yeah, it smells pretty good here. Moving around this way. No. Later on I'll put my shorts on. Film. Yeah. The coconuts. Nice. The chicken here. Pineapples. Nice. Oh, look at the food. There's food's already made? Wow. Morning. That's pretty cool. Pretty nice. Okay, I just kind of walked around my neighborhood a little bit just to see what's going on a Sunday morning, the activity. As you can see, the street vendors are out. Even the Thai restaurant looks like they're open, which is pretty cool. This is Vermont, between James M. Wood and 8th Street. So come on down, man, check it out. It's pretty interesting.